Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome, my dear students. We shall discuss the chapter number first of subject sociology for class 11th. The chapter number first is Introduction to Sociology, and it is first topic of today's lesson would be today's lecture would be concept of sociology. We shall understand today what is sociology, and it is all that we will remain confined. Sociology has a long past but only a short history. My dear students, we shall understand this thing that sociology has really a short history but has a long past, because the sociology or the society had been studied with the other subjects for a long time, but its content, its material, and it is as a separate subject came into existence very shortly. I mean to say, it came into existence in the 19th century. It came into existence as a separate discipline in the 19th century, although the society were discussed before that. As well, but which was considered with other subjects like philosophy. My dear students, the society was the moot point before that as well, but it was being studied with other subjects, like it was studied under philosophy, and some sociologists took it away from that philosophy and made it a separate subject and considered that society has to be understood or has to be studied or has to be made a different or separate discipline, and the name was being given to this subject as sociology. As we would be knowing that first, the term sociology was not this used for the said subject, as it was being this called with other names like ethology, etc. But finally it was Auguste Comte of France, who is traditionally being considered as the father of sociology, who is being credited with, or he is accredited with, the coining of the term sociology. It is Auguste Comte in 1839 who coined or who used the term sociology. My dear, what is sociology? Sociology is composed of two words. My dear students, this sociology, if we will consider with it the derivatives, how it has been derived, what is the etymological meaning. So for that, it is composed of two words: socius, meaning companion, and logos, means science or study. So the etymological meaning or the derivative meaning of the term sociology is the science of society or the study of society. We have to remember it simply that sociology is the science of society or the study of society. सोशोलॉजी में हम मेरे प्यारे बच्चों पढ़ते हैं समाजित के बारे में, समाज कैसे काम करता है, और हाउ इंडिविजुअल इज बीइंग impacted by the society, or how he contributes towards the society. So sociology is the science of society or the study of society. Sociology has been defined in a number of ways by different sociologists. My dear students, we should remember one thing, that there are so many definitions for social subjects like political science, maybe history, economics, and sociology is not an exception here, as there are so many definitions for education as well, and society is not an exception here. There are so many different definitions for the terms for the subject sociology. No single definition can or has yet been accepted as completely satisfactory, as no definition is considered exclusively or final. In fact, there are as many as definitions of sociology as there are sociologists. A few definitions may be cited below. All sociologists, my dear students, have defined this subject in his own way, given to his understanding or given to his philosophy towards the society. Different definitions have occurred. First, Auguste Comte, who is considered the father of this sociology, has defined it as the science of social phenomena subject to natural and invariable laws, the discovery of which is the object of investigation. This is his definition. The underlying meaning to this is that the sociology is the science of social phenomena or social reality or the social interactions or the study of society. The final meaning is that. But Auguste Comte was as a positivist or a scientist, we shall say, and he tried all his systematic ways for considering or for studying the sociology or the society. Definition number second is Kingsley Davis, who is also a sociologist, says that sociology is a general science of society. Third, Emile Durkheim defines it as a science of social institutions. There are, my dear students, so many social institutions like this history, like economy, like education, like marriage, like family, like kinship. All these are considered as social institutions in a society. Ogber and Nimkov, also who are sociologists, define it as the scientific study of social life. There are so many other socials who have defined it, but I have considered just four definitions. A careful examination of various definitions cited above make it evident. It becomes clear by when we consider the above four or the above definitions that sociologists differ in their opinions about the definition of sociology. They differ in their ways of defining the sociology. Their divergent views about the definition of sociology only reveal their distinctive approach to its study. It's because they have used a different approach, they have different perspectives for for understanding the society or the sociology. However, the common idea underlying all the definitions mentioned above is that sociology is concerned with man and his social relations and his society. The final and full is that the it would be considered, or we will understand that sociology is concerned with man and his society and his social relationships. To conclude, we shall say that sociology is the scientific study of society. Okay, my dear students, tomorrow we shall understand what's the nature of sociology, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.